This quick tutorial will give you an overview of how to navigate Fusion Signage. When you first log in, you're shown your dashboard for a quick overview of your digital signage network. You'll see the latest news from the Fusion Signage team, as well as your total storage usage, your monthly bandwidth, and how many licenses you have and their status. The media section is where you upload and manage your content, including videos, images, websites, and templates. The first thing you want to do is create a new folder to keep your content organized. When you're ready, make sure you have the folder selected and click Add Content. You have two options for uploading. Click Browse Files to find them on your computer, or simply drag and drop the files you would like to upload here. The files will process and be uploaded to the folder you selected. Note the recommended file settings for uploading content at the bottom of this page, or in more detail in the help guide. Content should be suited to the orientation of the screen, for example landscape or portrait, and if you need assistance with content, check out our templates section, or you can get in touch with us for something custom. The next step is creating a playlist. Click Add Playlist, give it a name, then click Add Content. This will bring up the media pop-up and allow you to select the content you want to include. Adding content is as simple as clicking on the piece and you'll see it in the playlist. If you'd like to add multiple, just click it again. You can even upload content to your media section here. Once you've added the content, click the X to close the window. You can drag your content to arrange it in the correct order, change the duration of any images, websites, or templates. You can duplicate the content and delete it. Once you're ready, click Publish to save. You can check the screens the playlist is assigned to here, remove it if necessary, and also add new screens or screen groups if you have advanced licenses. If you have an advanced license, you'll have access to the true power of digital signage in our Schedules tab. Schedules are an accumulation of playlists that have been allocated to play at certain times of the day, week, or month. You can create as many different schedules as you need ahead of time and have the content change automatically. Click on Add Schedule in the top right, give your schedule an identifiable name, and you'll be presented with a calendar view. You can toggle between weeks by clicking Previous Week or Next Week at the top left and right to see your schedules. To create a new event, click and drag over the area you would like to insert a playlist. Once you've selected an area, a menu will pop up where you can assign more details to your new schedule. Select a previously created playlist, give the schedule event a name. Select the days that you would want this to play on, and select a start and end date. If you'd like it to continue forever, just click this box. When you're done, click Add Schedule. You can also set a default playlist, which is what plays when nothing is scheduled. Clicking on screens from the left side menu will show you your entire digital signage network, where you can easily change the content on your screens. Simply find the screen you want to change, click on the content box, and select a new playlist, or if you have an advanced license, Schedules. You can see whether the screen is online here, when it was last updated, and the application version. Advanced licenses will have access to screen grouping, which allows you to put screens into groups to easily send the same content to multiple screens. You can add new groups or move screens between groups using the navigation at the top. If you have an active subscription, our Template Studio gives you access to hundreds of professionally designed digital signage ready templates that can be customized to your needs and be live on your screens within minutes. This is an add-on feature and not required if you have your own content creation capabilities, but offers a cost-effective and powerful way to quickly and easily update the content on your screens without the additional costs or delays on content creation. Each template has a landscape, portrait, and square version and allows you to change colors, font sizes, text fields, and images. Plus, every subscription comes with access to over 1 million commercially licensed stock images to use on your screens. Simply search for an image and insert it into your template. If you have a premium template subscription, you get access to animated templates for increased engagement, and you can also export the templates as an image for uploading to social media platforms, creating consistency across your platforms. If you cancel your subscription, you get to keep any of the templates you've created, but must have an active subscription in order to make any changes. We can also custom build a template to suit your exact needs, so get in touch with us if this is of interest. In Settings, you can change your password, add in multi-factor authentication, view your account details, manage users if you have management access, and download the Fusion Player app. If you're an advanced user, you'll also see permissions groups and tags. Refer to the permissions and tags section of the help guide for more information. So now you should have a good idea of how to navigate Fusion Signage and manage your digital signage content in a matter of minutes.